Today we are going to make control LED using a push button. For that we require one breadboard, one LED, one push button, two 1 kilo ohm Arduino Uno board and a USB cable. First of all, we will take the LED and place it on the breadboard. Now take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect one terminal to the negative of the cathode pin of the LED. One terminal to the cathode of the LED and connect the other terminal to the negative line of the breadboard. Then take a wire, connect the wire to the other terminal of the LED of the resistor and connect it to the ground pin of the Arduino. Now take another wire, connect it to the anode of the LED and the other terminal to pin 12 of the Arduino. Now take a push button. Place the push button on the breadboard in this way. Now take a wire, connect one terminal to the push button and other to pin 13 of the Arduino. Then take another 1 kilo ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to the same pin of the push button and place the other terminal on the breadboard. Now take a wire and connect one terminal to the other terminal of the resistor and one terminal of the wire to the negative line of the breadboard. Now take another wire, connect this pin of the push button to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. Now take one more wire, connect it to the negative line of the breadboard and then to the ground pin of the Arduino. Our connection is done. We will power our Arduino with the battery. Take this battery stopper, connect it to the battery.
Coding for controlling an LED using push button. First of all, open the Arduino IDE software. Here we are going to create two variables, one for the LED and one for the button. So first type int LED and assign pin 12 to it since the LED is on pin 12 of the Arduino. Next create another variable as button and assign pin 13 to it. Now in the setup, declare LED as output and button as input. For that, use the pin mode function and give LED as output and button as input. Now in the void loop, we are going to use the if condition to read the value of the button. So type if and then use the function digital read to read the data from the button variable, and if the value of the button is high, that means if the button is pressed, then our LED will glow. So if the button is high, write digital write LED high. Now in the else condition, make the LED low. That means if the button is not pressed, our LED will not glow. So change the value to low. Now we will check our code. So click on verify. Showing done compiling. That means our code is correct. Now we will upload our code. To upload, click on tools, select Arduino Uno board and the required COM code, and then click on upload. Your code will be uploaded to the Arduino. Thank you.
Here we can see that as soon as I press my push button, the LED glows, and when I remove my hand, it turns off.